This is a guitar lesson for Enemy by Charli XCX. This lesson also comes with a free interactive tab. If you want to grab that download above or below afterwards, just hit the button. Okay, so this song is all played in a loop, this Charli XCX song. Right, so I'm going to use my fingers to play it, and I'm going to play most of the bass notes with my index. So I'm going to get the 3rd fret there on the A string. Now we'll work on the movements first. We go 3, 5, 7, and I'm doing all those with my index finger. So it goes 3, 5, 7. And at the same time as I play it, I am picking the D and the G string continuously on every beat and offbeat. So it goes like that. Now you see the next beat goes 7, 9, 10. For that I'm going index on the 7, ring on the 9, ring on the 10, and that'll allow me to slide down for the next 3. Like that. So those 2 bars all together go as follows: 3, 4. And the 3rd bar. Okay, and the thing to watch with the 3rd and 4th bar is the beat. So I'll go from the 3rd bar. Right, so the thing about it is the rhythm. So what I'll do is I'll play the bass notes on their own now for you to hear them all. 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. Now with that again, I'll put it all together. It's just a case of breaking it down bar by bar. And then that's all the tune. So I'll play it very slowly one last time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 that's the whole song. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching to the end. If you have any questions, as I've said, just post a comment below. I'll be happy to answer. Remember to sub to keep up to date for all the latest lessons. And remember, you can grab your free download above.